Hello there! In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use the SuperSync Chrome extension. SuperSync helps keep your Super site updated automatically while you work in Notion, so you don't have to keep going back to your Super dashboard to manually refresh your pages. Let's get started. First, head over to the Chrome extension link in the description below. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Once it's installed, pin the extension so you can easily access it from your browser. Next, make sure you're logged into your Super account and open the Notion workspace connected to your site. Click the SuperSync extension, then enable Notion Sync. Once it's turned on, the extension will automatically detect your connected Notion pages and sync the changes you make to Super. Now let's see it in action. This is what my Super site currently looks like. I'm going to add a new blog post through my Notion database and see how the extension handles the update. While I'm adding the content of the blog post, you can see the SuperSync extension icon at the top, showing that it's actively syncing the changes I'm making. You'll also see a notification in the bottom right corner once the changes have been successfully synced. Now let's go back to our Super site and refresh the page to check the result. And as you can see, the new blog post is already showing on the site. I didn't have to go back to the Super dashboard and manually sync the page. SuperSync handled the update automatically while I was working in Notion. And there you have it. If you regularly update your Super site through Notion, the SuperSync Chrome extension can save you a few extra steps and make your workflow much smoother. You can install the extension and find our full setup guide using the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Super update. Until next time, stay super.